Hi guys, welcome to HONOR Info channel. Today I have HONOR X7b and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must tap Google and their calendar. Now we must choose day when we want to add our event, maybe 6th day of February. And after that we press this plus icon, and now we must add title of our event. There we can add location, maybe Warsaw or what you want. There we can set when event start and finish, or we can set it will be all day. That will be priority, and we can add more field I repeat every week maybe. There we can add alarm of our event, second reminder of that, and add it to account of maybe our friends or family member, what you want, description to it, and after we add all we need, we press this icon and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.